Home Minister Amit Shah had called for two meetings today in the national capital in wake of the situation of COVID-19. The first meeting was between Delhi government health officials and the Delhi cabinet ministers and central government officials. In this meeting, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal along with Health Minister Satyendra Jain, Chief Secretary Vijay Dev and also Manish Sisodia attended. Lieutenant Governor, prior to this meeting, along with the Union Health Secretary, went to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah at his residence, and they were also part in this first meeting. This meeting began at 11 am, and after the meeting concluded, the Chief Minister of Delhi said it was an extremely positive meeting which took place between the Central Ministry and the Delhi government officials. After that, a series of tweets came from Union Home Minister Amit Shah. First, he said that 500 coaches will be given to the national capital, which means 8,000 bed capacity isolation beds will be given. He also said that in coming 2 days, the testing facility will be improved, and in coming 6 days, the testing in the national capital will be tripled. It was also said that in coming days, we will see more house-to-house survey in the containment zone, and all those people who are there, the health officials, they have been directed to do so. The health minister also tweeted that the center will be providing all the oxygenated bed support and also oximeter to the Delhi government officials. It was also said that 5 additional officers will be deployed in the national capital to fight this COVID menace that is there currently. The health minister of Delhi had earlier said that somewhere the testing in Delhi needs to be increased, and that is something which has been emphasized here. A special committee will be made which will submit its report by tomorrow on capping of prices and also including more number of beds from private hospitals. After this meeting, the second meeting was between the MCD officials, the Delhi government officials and the central officials. For the first time, Union Home Minister Amit Shah was present in a meeting in which municipal authorities were also present. Remember, in the national capital, the municipal authorities and the Delhi government have been on the loggerheads because of the number of people who have died of the COVID infection. The Delhi government officials say a different number, but the MCDs quote a different number of deaths. In this meeting, when we asked the MCD officials if there was a mention of that data, they clearly said there was no mention of the dead number, but the Home Minister clearly told them that in this time of pandemic, all the authorities, be it the municipalities, state government or the center, needs to work together. This is at a time when we are seeing the Delhi's cases are going to touch about 40,000, and Delhi has been witnessing a record number of cases in past few days. Tomorrow at 11 am, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has again called for an all-party meeting. This will be chaired to see that the current situation of pandemic is discussed with all related parties in the national capital.